Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today and welcome back to my channel. How are you today guys? But I always hope for you all, always feeling happiness ya guys, because now on I will share to you all an interesting topic about academic achievement and career success between GPA, experience, and professional networks. But before I start our discussion today, like usually, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurayana Aziza with Trial Institute of my MPM 054, and I am student in University of Indraprastha PGRI. Okay, so let's start our discussion, our topic right now. But before we move on to the main discussions, let me briefly explain the objective of this presentation. By the end of this presentation, I hope you will have a clearer understanding of the three key factors that are often associated with career success. First, we will explore the role of GPA and how academic performance can influence career opportunities, especially for recent graduates. Next, we will discuss why relevant experience such as internship, part-time jobs, and volunteer works has become increasingly important in today's job market. And then we will also examine the value of professional networking, including how building meaningful relationships can open doors to career opportunities and professional growth. Finally, we will analyze how these three factors work together and why achieving long-term career success requires more than excelling in just one area. So, in the first discussion, it is why academic achievement matters. Academic achievement, often reflected through grades and GPA, represents a student's knowledge, learning progress, and commitment to education. Strong academic performance helps students develop critical thinking, and then problem solving and analytical skills that are valuable in both academic and professional settings. It can also increase access to scholarship, internship, graduate programs, and competitive job opportunities. And according to employer survey, over 70% of employers consider GPA an important screening criterion when evaluating candidates for entry-level positions. Academic achievement demonstrates discipline, responsibility, and the ability to meet long-term goals, qualities that employers frequently seek in potential candidates. And then academic achievements serve as a foundation for personal and professional development, and then preparing students for future career opportunities. Okay, next we will discuss about the role of GPA in career development. So, GPA reflects knowledge mastery, academic discipline, and the ability to meet long-term academic goals. It serves as an indicator of a student's commitment, consistency, and capacity to perform under pressure. A strong GPA can increase access to competitive internships, scholarships, graduate programs, and entry-level positions at reputable organizations. Many employers use GPA as an initial screening criterion, especially when evaluating recent graduates with limited professional experience. However, GPA alone doesn't guarantee career success, and employers increasingly value practical experience, soft skills, adaptability, and professional networks alongside academic performance. Next is gaining relevant experience. Experience comes in many forms, including internships, part-time jobs, academic projects, volunteer work, and extracurricular activities. These experiences help individuals develop practical skills, workplace readiness, confidence, and adaptability that classroom learning alone cannot fully provide. Through hands-on experience, students learn how to apply theoretical knowledge to real-world situations, solve problems, and collaborate effectively with others. And then employers often value candidates with relevant experience because it demonstrates initiative, responsibility, and an understanding of professional work environments. Next is building professional networks. So, professional networks consist of relationships with peers, mentors, professors, alumni, and industry professionals who can influence career development. Networking expands access to job opportunities through referrals, recommendation, and industry insight that may not be publicly available. And then strong professional relationships provide mentorships, career advice, and valuable guidance for personal and professional growth. And then networking also helps individuals build their professional reputation, increase visibility, and strengthen their personal brand within their chosen fields. Alright, so now on I will explain and maybe comparing between GPA, experience, and networking, but in short, yeah. So, GPA means demonstrates academic competence, discipline, consistency, and foundational knowledge, but does not fully reflect practical skills or adaptability and interpersonal abilities, yeah. And then for experience is develop practical skills, workplace readiness, and problem solving abilities, and real world application of knowledge. And then the last is networking. Provides access to career opportunities, mentorship, industry insights, and professional support. Requires continuous efforts to build and maintain meaningful relationships. Now I will discuss about strategies for success and also the challenge in integration, yeah. So strategies are first, plan and balance to the time to maintain strong GPA while pursuing internships. And second is use academic project as networking opportunities with peers and professionals. And the third is reflects regularly to align academic goals with career aspiration and networking growth. And the last is leverage campus events and organization to gain experience and build connection. However, challenges in integration are time management, conflict between coursework, work, and networking. And then second is difficulty identifying meaningful opportunities for growth, and third is navigating social or professional anxiety when building networks, and the last is unequal access to internship and networking resources. Now I have an example, study case for this material. The title is Balance Success Through Integration. It is, not real a story, yeah, but balance success through integrations. Like meet Alex, a computer science student who maintained a 3.8 GPA while completing 2 internships and leading a campus tech club. By scheduling study blocks around internship hours and using class project to connect with industry mentors, Alex built a robust professional network of over 50 contracts before graduation, landing a full-time role before the final semester. So take Key takeaway: intentional planning and proactive engagement enable balanced development. Success is not accidental. It is the result of aligning academic goals with real-world experience and meaningful relationships. And then now we arrive for last slide. Is a summary: the power of balanced development. While a high GPA can open doors, it does not guarantee career success. So long-term success depends on how effectively individuals combine academic achievements, practical experience, and professional networks to adapt and grow in a competitive job market. Success is not determined by a single achievement, but by the ability to continuously learn, gain experience, and build meaningful professional relationships. Alright guys, so thank you very much for your attention, and then I hope and this presentation has increased to you for keep learning and also build professional personal branding for gaining success. And thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.